Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can embed a YouTube video into a post just like this here. I'll also show how you can embed tweets, as you can see here. I'll show you how you can embed a YouTube video into the sidebar, where you can see here, where you can play it. And I'll also show you how you can embed a YouTube video into the footer. Please feel free to follow along. So let's get started and see how you can embed a YouTube video into a post. First of all, make sure you're in your WordPress dashboard and then go to Posts and then go to Add New and then give it a title. Just copy this from here. And then what you can do, there's two ways you can do it. You can go to YouTube, find the video that you want to do, and copy the URL, and then paste it in. Then the video appears. You can also do it, just remove this, where you choose the option to add a video block in. So just choose YouTube and then paste the URL that you've copied and then click Embed. You can change the general look of this. You can change like the alignment of it. So you could put it to the left, put it at the center, to the right. You could go wide width. You could go full width. I quite like wide width. So leave it as that. But yeah, that's how you can just sort of change how it looks on the screen. And then if we save, and we'll preview it, and that's how it looks. Now I'll show you how you can embed YouTube videos using the classic post editor. So go in your WordPress dashboard, and then go to Posts, and Add New. I'm just going to copy the title from here, but you can put whatever title you want in. And then all you need to do is go to the video, copy the URL, and paste it in. As you seen before, the video appears, and then you can just hit publish. Another good thing that you can do is embed Twitter posts. So we'll put a Twitter post below this YouTube video. So if you go to Twitter and you copy the link for the tweet, and then you go back to here, you can paste it in, and then it'll appear below like that. And then if we hit update, and let's view the post, you got your video, and then you've got this here where somebody could reply to the tweet from here. So I feel like that's quite a good thing. Now let's have a look how you can embed a video in the sidebar. So if we go to the WordPress dashboard, then we go to Appearance, and then we go to Widgets. Find the one for the main sidebar, which is just here. Then you can click on the YouTube link, and then copy there. Then paste the URL in and click Embed. And choose Update. And then when we go and view the site and we have a look at the blog articles, let's click on this one. Scroll down, and there it is. You can then play the video from there. Now let's have a look how you can embed a YouTube video in the footer of your website. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and Widgets. Let's close this one down, and then in footer widget area 3, we're going to put the YouTube in again. We've already got the link copied, but you could just go back to YouTube if you wanted and copy it and press Embed. Choose Update, And then let's go to the website. Scroll down. And there it is at the bottom, which you can click on and play the video. So in this video we've learned how to embed a YouTube video into a post, how to embed a Twitter post into a post, how to embed a YouTube video onto the sidebar, which you can see there, and also how to embed a YouTube video into the footer. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.